back to it. It's Maths Masterclass with Leo. Today we are doing integration using algebraic substitution. Integration using algebraic substitution. So today we'll be treating questions on this topic, integration using algebraic substitution. First question that we have, it says the integral of 2 sine of 3, okay, this is of 4x plus 9 dx. So they want us to integrate this, right? They want us to integrate this. So we can see that we have two functions. We have a trig function. Inside that trig function, we have a straight line function. So we need to treat these two different, right? So treating them different, we will say let u be 4x plus 9, right? I'm taking out this linear function. Then taking out this linear function, after that I'm going to differentiate with respect to x. Therefore I'll have du over dx is equals to 4. Integrating a constant, differentiating a constant, I'm going to get 0. So the first thing that you need to do, you need to be aware of, you take out this, then you need to differentiate it. Differentiate, right? After differentiating, this is what you will have. Then you substitute 2 sine of, instead of 4x plus 9, I'm going to have u dx. But now I can't integrate sine u with dx. I can't do that. So I will need to make sure that I have a variable of dx here. I make dx the subject of the formula. Making dx the subject of the formula means I'm going to cross multiply. Cross multiply, I'll have du is equals to 4 dx. Therefore, divide by 4 to make dx the subject of the formula. Therefore, I have dx is equals to du over 4. Instead of having dx here, I'm going to have the integral of 2 sine of u multiplied by du over 4. Right? Multiply by du over 4, and then from there, I can take out this 2 and this 4. 2 over 4 integral of sine of u du. Now it is easy for me to integrate u with respect to u. Integrating this, I'm going to have 1 over 2. This is into negative cos of u plus c. And then my solution is negative 1 over 2 cos of u plus c. Therefore, from this, I'll have negative 1 over 2 cos of, instead of u, I'm going to have 4x plus 9 plus c. That is my solution for the first question. So when I integrate 2 sine of, in bracket 4x plus 9 with respect to x, I'm going to get negative 1 over 2 cos of 4x plus 9 plus c. Let's get the next question. Next question, we have the integral of 3 cos of 2 theta minus 5 d theta. Right? The first thing that I need to do is to take out this linear. Take out this linear, I'll say let u be 2 theta minus 5. And then from there, as we said, we're going to differentiate this. Differentiate. Okay. Then from there, du over d theta is equals to 2. Then, therefore, d theta will be du divided by 2. right? And then I'm going to substitute integral of 3 cos of u. Instead of d theta, I can substitute multiply by du over 2. Then take out these constants. So I'll have 3 over 2 integral of cos of u multiply du. Then 3 over 2 integrating cos, I'm going to have, this will be sine, this is sine what? Sine u plus c. And then 3 over 2 is sine into 2 theta minus 5 plus c. So when I integrate that, this is my solution. This is what I'm going to get. Let's get the next question. The next question says we must integrate. Let me try to create some space. The integral of 4 sec squared of 3 t plus 1 dt. Right? Firstly, I'm going to take out this linear and have let u be 3t plus 1. And then differentiate this, get the derivative of this. So du over dt is equals to 3, meaning dt will be du over 3. And then from there, substituting, I have the integral of 4 sec squared of u multiply du over 3. Then I have 4 over 3 integral of sec squared u multiply du. And then integrating sec, this is what I'm going to have. It's going to be 4 over 3 tan of u plus c. And then from there, 3 over 4 over 3 tan of 3t plus 1 plus c. It is my solution. When I integrate 4 sec squared of 3t plus 1 dt, that is what I'm going to get. Now, let's get the next question. We need to integrate the integral of 1 over 2 into 5x minus 3 to the power 6 dx. And then integrating this, I'm going to take this linear out. I'll have let u be 5x minus 3. And then get the derivative of this. It will be du over dx is equals to 5. And therefore dx is equals to du over 5. Then substituting, I'll have integral 1 over 2 of u to the power 6 multiplied by du over 5. And then take out this. I have 1 over 2 multiply 1 over 5 integral of u to the power 6 multiply du. This is 1 over 10 integral of u to the power 6 du. Okay, let's go to the next page. I have 1 over 10 into, if I integrate u to the power 6, I'm going to get u to the power 6 plus 1 divided by 6 plus 1 plus c. And then this is 1 over 10 u to the power 7 over 7. And then plus c. This gives me 1 over 70 u to the power 7 plus c. And then my u, I can substitute 1 over 70 into 5x minus 3 to the power 7 plus c. That is what I'm going to get when I integrate 1 over 2 into 5x minus 3 to the power 6. Lastly, I have a definite integral. So the definite integral of 3x plus 1 to the power 5 dx. So firstly, I'm going to take out this. Let u be 3x plus 1. Then get the derivative of this. So du over dx is equals to 3. Therefore, dx is equals to du over 3. Substituting everything back, I'm going to have, okay, let me write it. It comes back here. This will be the integral from 0 to 1 of u to the power 5 multiplied by du over 3. And then 1 over 3 integral of from 0 to 1 of u to the power 5 multiply du. And then integrating that, I'm going to have 1 over 3 into u to the power 5 plus 1 divided by 5 plus 1 plus c. And then from there, this is from, okay, because of I'm dealing with a definite integral, let me remove the c now. And then this will be from 0 to 1. And then 1 over 3 into u to the power 6 over 6 from 0 to 1, which this can be written as 1 over 3 multiply 1 over 6 into u to the power 6 from 0 to 1. This is 1 over 18 into u, okay, u, I know what is u, I can substitute it, which is 3x plus 1 to the power, okay, let's do this, to the power 6 from 0 to 1. And then we substitute 1 over 18 into 3 into 1 plus 1 minus, okay, this is to the power 6 into 3 into 0 plus 1 into the power 6. And then this is 1 over 18 into, this is like 4 to the power 6. What do we get? Let's get our calculator. 4 to the power 6. 4096 minus, this is 1 to the power 6, which is 1. And then we have our solution. This is minus 1 divided by 18. This is 455 over 2. That is our solution, or our definite solution, when we integrate 3x plus 1 to the power 5 from 0 to 1 with respect to x. That is the last question for the day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the content with your friends. See you in the next video. Tango means thank you. Tango!